This is the tagline. I gotta get it over there. We're gonna go that way through the middle of the tree with this one. I think with this one I'm gonna cut a little notch in it and then back cut it and have you pull it over. So that way it doesn't like hang on nearby me, it'll just drop right into the tree. And David, only a half a wrap because we're gonna let this one just kind of run down into the tree. Snap it off and cause it to break too early. So just, you know, we'll work it over and then as it comes to like its falling point, then you got it, then you can go. Okay, and as far as you standing somewhere, go over there by the AC. All right, I'm gonna make the notch and then the back cut. And when I make the back cut, that's when we can put the tension and start going. Okay, put some tension on it. You ready to pull it? Take it. Damn, we're caught up. Damn, we're all caught up. All right, let it lay for a sec. Hang on to that, Dave. See if that'll help any. Yeah. That one little snag up there. I'm gonna make a spear cut. Spear it down. Yeah, pull on it though. All right, consequences were not so bad. It hit me a little bit. Yeah. All right, I got this log here. Look out. Okay.